Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to clone a voice using Suno AI step by step. Voice cloning allows you to generate songs using a specific vocal style, so the AI sings using a similar voice tone. Let's get started. Suno AI is an AI music generator that creates full songs including vocals, music, and lyrics. While it doesn't offer direct voice cloning like some dedicated tools, you can recreate similar vocal styles using prompts and audio references. Here's how to do it. Step 1. Open Suno AI. Go to the Suno AI website and log into your account. Once you're inside the dashboard, click on Create to generate a new song. Step 2. Use Custom Mode. Enable Custom Mode so you can control the lyrics and style of the song. This gives you more control over how the vocals sound. Step 3. Write or paste your lyrics. In the lyrics section, type or paste the lyrics you want the AI to sing. Make sure the lyrics are structured with verses and choruses. Step 4. Describe the vocal style. In the Style of Music field, describe the voice style you want. For example, female soft pop vocal, deep male rock voice, emotional indie singer, R&B style vocal. The more detailed your description, the closer the AI will match that vocal style. Step 5. Generate the song. Click Generate. Suno will create multiple versions of the song using the style you describe. Step 6. Regenerate for better results. If the voice is not exactly what you want, edit the style prompt and generate again. Experimenting with different vocal descriptions can help you achieve the desired sound. Step 7. Download the song. Once you're happy with the generated voice and song, click Download to save the audio file. Important tip: avoid trying to clone the voice of real singers or celebrities without permission, especially if you plan to publish the music commercially. And that's it. That's how you clone or recreate a voice style in Suno AI step by step, even if you're a complete beginner. If this video helped you, make sure to like the video and subscribe for more simple and practical AI music tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.